What if you could rewrite the code of life? What if you could prevent genetic diseases before they even happen? This isn't a science fiction scenario, it's the future being shaped by a revolutionary technology known as CRISPR-Cas9. What is CRISPR-Cas9? In the simplest terms, it's a pair of molecular scissors. It stands for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats and CRISPR-associated protein 9. This might sound like a mouthful, but the concept is simple. CRISPRs are specialized stretches of DNA, and the protein Cas9 is an enzyme that can cut strands of DNA. Imagine a long zipper, each tooth representing a gene. Now, if one of these teeth is causing problems, wouldn't it be great if we could just remove it and replace it with a better one? That's what CRISPR-Cas9 does. It finds the problematic gene, unzips it, cuts it out, and replaces it with a healthy one. This is a game changer in the world of genetics. It opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. We could potentially eliminate genetic diseases, improve crop yields, and even combat climate change. But with great power comes great responsibility. The question isn't just what we can do with CRISPR-Cas9, but what we should do. The potential of CRISPR-Cas9 is immense. It could revolutionize medicine by allowing us to treat or even prevent genetic diseases. Imagine a world where illnesses like Huntington's, cystic fibrosis, or even certain types of cancer are a thing of the past. On the other hand, it could turn agriculture on its head. We could engineer crops to be more resistant to pests, diseases, and changing climate conditions. This could lead to increased food security and sustainability. But what about the potential pitfalls? The ethical implications of gene editing are vast. There's the risk of unintended consequences. What happens if a gene edit has unforeseen side effects? There's also the concern about accessibility. Will gene editing be available to everyone or just a privileged few? And then there's the fear of designer babies, the notion of parents picking and choosing their children's traits. CRISPR-Cas9 is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it's not inherently good or bad. It's how we use it that matters. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to have these conversations, to weigh the pros and cons, and to ensure that the use of this technology is guided by ethical standards. So, what's the future of gene editing? It's a question that doesn't have a clear answer yet, but one thing is certain: the age of genetic modification is upon us. The world as we know it is changing, and CRISPR-Cas9 is leading the charge. It's a brave new world, full of potential and fraught with challenges. As we move forward, it's our responsibility to navigate it wisely. The story of CRISPR-Cas9 is still being written, but one thing is for sure: it's a story that will shape the future of our world. And it's a story worth paying attention to.